Have you ever wondered where the water goes after you wash your dishes or flush the toilet? We often take for granted things we cannot see. Our water and sewer systems are buried several feet below the ground, out of sight and often out of mind until something goes wrong. Many parts of our sewer system are over 50 years old, and these aged and damaged sewer lines have led to an increase in sanitary sewer overflows. Increased demand on the original sewer lines, combined with heavy flooding in our area, have contributed to the accelerated breakdown of hundreds of miles of sewer line in our service area. Pipe defects are one of the primary causes of sanitary sewer overflows, referred to as SSOs. During rain events, excess rainwater and groundwater can seep into the collection system through cracks and other defects in the pipes. Hallsdale-Powell Utility District continuously monitors the collection system to identify, pinpoint, and prioritize areas that need rehabilitation or replacement. The Beaver Creek Interceptor Improvement Project is designed to reduce inflow and infiltration, eliminate SSOs, and create capacity for the future. As this project wraps up, we would like to share some of our before and after video so the community we serve can see the success of this much-needed improvement project.